welcome to another episode of Tiger Guys. So kayo ba, naghahanap kayo ng dashcam? And kayo ba, natatakot manakaw ang inyong kotse? Or safety ng inyong kotse? Or kayo ba, natatakot yung mga anak nyo baka gumawa ng kalokohan? Or asawa nyo baka naghanap ng iba? So ito na yung solution nyo. So this is a dashcam na meron siyang camera for the outside and meron din siyang camera for the inside. And maliban dyan, meron siyang GPS na functions. Malalaman nyo yung car nyo kung nasaan 24/7. And also, what's so special about this dashcam compared to other dashcams, pwede nyo siya ma-view online. Kasi makikita mo yung live na kung nasaan yung kotse, kung saan siya nakatutok or anong ginawa ng kotse. Doesn't matter kung nasaan ka, basta nasa mundo ka, basta may internet ka, makikita nyo na siya. So today, kakabit natin sa Montero na to. As I always say, wait till you see. Let's
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all...
Alright, na-install na natin ang ating dashcam. So, andito na siya. Don't mind the other stuff. May pinapagawa lang si client ng iba. So, ayan. Na-install na natin and it's already online. So, pagbuksan natin ang app, makikita nyo. So, this is our pinpoint ng Tiger Garage. Andito siya ngayon. And then, ito yung front cam. Ayan, Tiger Garage. And then, here is the interior cam. So, ayan, makikita nyo. Live yan. Ngayon lang yan. Bubuksan natin yung voice natin ngayon. At makikita nyo, yung point ng Tiger Garage, dito siya ngayon. So the sounds is like 10-20 seconds before. Yan na yung pinaka-live niya. Siyempre, hindi niya kayang parang video call. Super high-tech na yun. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this item or this service or any other item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and let us see you next time. Goodbye!
Yeah.